We'll start by mounting the reversible snowplow, the most commonly used plow. When mounting the reversible plow, it is preferable that there be two people present, one person to drive the truck and the second to guide the truck driver into position. Each plow is fitted for a specific truck. Many shops stencil the truck number on the plow so you can quickly identify the correct plow for your truck. When mounting a reversible plow, first raise the plow with a chain hoist. Some shops use floor jacks. Others have jacks permanently attached to raise the plow. Even with the plow raised to the proper height, a pinch bar is helpful in moving the plow slightly to line up mounting holes so plow pins can be inserted. Make sure you also insert the safety or retainer clips at the end of each pin. Next, hook the cable pulley to the lift cylinder and insert the lift pin and safety clip. Finally, you are ready to hook up the hydraulics. But before you do, make sure to shut off the truck engine. Hydraulic power comes from oil forced through the lines at tremendous pressure. To hook up the hydraulics, simply switch the female coupling from the truck to the plow and the plow coupling to the truck. With the plow mounted and resting on the ground, you are now ready to begin your pre-season check. Remember to never move in or around a plow when it is raised. If the hydraulics fail, a raised plow would drop and you could be seriously hurt. Take a close look at the plow lift. Make sure that there is enough slack in the lift cable or chain so the blade completely touches the garage floor and will be able to come into contact with the roadway. Inspect the lift cable or chain. Look for cuts or frays in the cable, or for badly worn or broken links in the chain. Look over the entire plow for any cracks or broken welds. If you find any, point them out to your shop mechanic. Both the lift and reverse cylinders should also be checked to see that they are operating correctly, and all hydraulic fittings are tight and free from leaking. Check the condition of the hydraulic hoses too. Look for cuts or serious abrasions that may weaken the hose and lead to leaks. Again, never check the hydraulic hoses when the truck engine is running. If there is a small hole in a line and the engine is running, the stream of fluid can shoot so hard it can slice your skin like a knife. Next, check for proper plow trip adjustment. A faulty or improperly adjusted trip can cause a lot of damage to the plow and truck if an immovable object is hit. Check the plow blade to make sure it is not cracked or excessively worn. Some plow blades have a carbide insert in the bottom to help resist wear. If the carbide insert is visible, the carbide is still doing its job to slow the wear on the blade. If the carbide is nearly worn through, either replace the blade or be aware that the blade will wear much more quickly without the carbide. The blade should be replaced when there is approximately 2 inches remaining between the bottom of the moldboard and the bottom of the blade. Never wear the blade down to the point that the moldboard is on the roadway surface. This could result in an expensive moldboard repair or replacement. Also, make certain the plow blade is tightly attached by checking the tightness of all nuts. Also, replace any missing or broken bolts. When replacing bolts, always make sure the bolt is fully seated so the nut remains tight. Grease all zerks. Make sure reflectors are in place and in good condition on each end of the plow. Amber reflectors on front, red reflectors on the back. At the same time you are checking reflectors, make sure there is a red-orange flag in good condition and properly mounted at each end of the plow. If the plow has a plow shield, check to see that it is securely mounted. Finally, check the plow controls to make sure that they are all functioning properly. Raise the plow to its full height. It should be high enough to clear obstacles you may encounter. The plow lift height can be adjusted by lengthening or shortening the lift cable or chain.